The number one story on the Bloomberg terminal, the headline, China open to a small trade deal if Trump eases the tariff threats. Do we have any sense that the Trump administration is willing to ease that threat?
Well, we haven't heard anything from the administration addressing that in particular. Basically, what we have here is China coming into these talks with the same offer that it's had for months, if not the past couple of years. They're going to buy some American commodities. The quantities that they're talking about really just go back to the levels that we saw before the trade war. So if you're the Trump administration, you're not seeing a whole lot of, a lot more give here on the Chinese side. So it's hard to see how, unless the president feels like he needs to, put a quick win on the board, how this will really turn the tide and prevent things from escalating. We're getting another tariff increase next week, Tuesday, and then another on December 15th. So we'll have to see how it goes. It's too soon to call it, but it's hard to see how this sort of modest offer that the Chinese are coming to town with will really change minds, especially among the trade hawks in the White House.
Is it fair to say that the Chinese are basically coming back to Washington time and time again with the same deal, at some point hoping that the president is weak enough or desperate enough that he needs a deal?
Well, I think that they are, they would be very attuned to the president's political, ups and downs, and he certainly faces some headwinds right now politically. So the Chinese may be sensing a little bit of, desperation there, perhaps. But you ask the White House folks that, and they would tell you that's a miscalculation on their part. That he is very much, firm on China and will stay so. Yeah, I saw he just tweeted a few minutes ago that we're providing a better alternative to China. So there's no sense there, that he's going to soften his position.